Assalamu alaikum. This is my form and this is created with .NET framework in the language of C# within Visual Studio. So if we just run it, we can see it working and it works perfectly. Now we will add our course SWE4201. Let's see can it calculate the total 100% mark and everything makes correct. It will show us the SWE4201 gives us 100% mark. So mid we get 75, final we get 150, for quiz 1 we get 15, for quiz 2 we get 9. So we can calculate the best 3. I will give another 215. So this is my result marks, and attendance we will give 30. So we click add and the message box showed us added successfully. Please add the next course. When done, click calculate. So when we done with our adding, we will click calculate. So we press OK and then add our next course, which is CSE 4203, and our mark for mid is something like 67, final is 120. This is just random values, so like 12, 13, 14 and 10. Attendance let's say 24 and add, and we say OK. So the next course we are going to add is CSE 4205. We will see the mid marks is 60 and final mark is 4, that is 80, and quiz 1 is 9, quiz 2 is 8, quiz 3 is 12 and quiz 4 is 15, and attendance is something 25. We click add, and for next course we are gonna select humanities 4247. We give mid marks to 55, final mark to 140, quiz 1 mark to 12, we will give it 14, 13, 12, attendance is 30. So we click add, and our next course is humanities 4249. We see in mid it will get 65, final it will get 132 I guess, and quiz 1 is I think 12, quiz 2 is also 12, quiz 3 is 15 and quiz 4 is 13, and attendance is I guess we will give it 18. So add, and we have only one course left, that is math 4241, and we see the mid mark is somewhere around 45, final mark is somewhere around 110, quiz 1 is 14, okay, and quiz 2 is 12, quiz 3 is 13 and quiz 4 is 10. We give attendance to 30 I guess so, and we click add. So we are done with our marks input, so we click calculate, and here we see our 6 added courses have total marks. So we have to remember that we have given the SWE4201 the full marks, so that gave us the total mark of 100, then its GPA is 4 and grade is A+, and another courses have their corresponding marks, GPA and grade according to the system of IUT, and my CGPA is showing here, so it should be showing 3.79, and the rest of things I will discard that in after that video. So the project will not have that, or if it have that, we see that the CGPA is 3.79. So it is the calculated cumulative grading point average calculator of the project of lab 2 of object oriented approach lab course SWE4201. Thank you everyone.